Hi doctors, I am Dr. Mansoor Ali, Professor, Government Homeopathy Medical College, Calicut, Kerala of South India. Welcome to my channel. Today we will discuss something interesting and something useful about how to practice homeopathy and other alternative systems like the Ayurveda, Siddha, Unani, Chinese medicines, etc. in the country of Bahrain. We will discuss in detail about the rules and regulations, the documents, the data flow, the examination, question papers, and the scope of practice in the country of Bahrain. So, how to practice homeopathy and other alternative systems in Bahrain. Everything on how to practice, step by step approach. About the Bahrain. Bahrain, officially the Kingdom of Bahrain, is a sovereign state in the Persian Gulf. The island nation comprises a small archipelago made up of 40 natural islands and an additional 51 artificial islands, centered around the Bahrain Island, which make up around 83% of country's landmass. A beautiful island. Economy. The economy of Bahrain is heavily dependent upon oil and gas. The Bahraini currency is the second highest valued currency unit in the world. Remember, the second highest valued currency unit in the world. And since the late of 20th century, Bahrain has heavily invested in the banking and tourism sector, a tourist destination. The country's capital, Manama, is home to many large financial structures. The Supreme Council of Health, SCH, in Kingdom of Bahrain is pleased to present the Unified Healthcare Professional Qualification Requirements, which represents a milestone towards fulfilling the Kingdom's objective to improve the healthcare service provision across the country. The authority, the Accreditation Authority, National Health Regulatory Authority, NHRA of Bahrain. Now, the scope of alternative medicine and the rules and regulations in Bahrain. Opportunities, the immense opportunities for the talented homeopathic and Ayurvedic practitioners and other alternative medicine practitioners in Bahrain. Those who wish to practice in the Bahrain, the rich and beautiful Arabian island, ministry issuing license certificate. Now the license requirements for the complementary and alternative medicine practitioners. All professionals must submit a complete license application prior to being permitted to appear for the license examinations. So, you have to submit an application prior to examination. Once a license application is approved, an eligibility code will be generated for the applicant and sent to him through the online system. All applicants must fulfill the following requirements in order to qualify for the license. The educational qualification. Qualifications, when needed, must be nationally accredited by the Ministry of Education in Bahrain or higher education councils, like our BHMS or BAMS. That should be nationally accredited by the Ministry of Education in Bahrain. And qualification must be issued by the institution or college recognized in home country. Remember, recognized or the recognized qualification only accepted in Bahrain. Then the evaluation of qualification. The criteria that depend upon the country and institution from which the qualification was awarded. That is one criteria. The level of national or international recognition of the qualification, the duration and content of the study, and the presence of clinical practice or the practical training. Qualifications acquired through the honorary nature, correspondence, or distance learning are not considered for the evaluation in Bahrain. And professional license and good standing. The applicant must be registered and have a valid professional license to practice or registration from home country or country of last employment, like the Travancore Cochin Medical Council certificate or Delhi Medical Council certificate or Central Council of Homeopathy certificate, whatever it may be. A valid professional license. The applicant must provide evidence of meeting the minimum required experience for the applied title. Now, good standing certificate from state or central medical councils. Remember, this good standing certificate is valid only for 6 months. This is valid only for 6 months. So you have to collect a recent good standing certificate from the state or central councils issued by the professional regulatory and licensing authority in the country of last employment. NHRA may request more evidence or conduct investigation if deemed necessary to prove the status. The applicant must declare that she has never been convicted with any legal cases, medical malpractice during her practice of the healthcare profession, or she is currently under investigation. And renewal of the license, complementary alternative medicine practitioners must accumulate a minimum of 10 CME or CPD hours annually. A minimum of 10 CME, but remember the CME or CPD must be relevant to the field. If you are a homeopathy practitioner, your CME credit should be related to the homeopathy itself. Now the qualification. Physician holder of BA in homeopathy, the bachelor's degree in homeopathy medicine, a study of no less than 4 years, or holder of a recognized certificate in the field for a study of not less than 3 years. So our qualifications like the BHMS, BAMS and BUMS are sufficient. Now the experience. The applicant's experience must be relevant to the category and approved by professional regulatory and licensing authority in the country of practice, country of origin. The non-Bahraini practitioners of complementary and alternative medicine shall have to acquire experience of not less than 2 years after the academic qualification. So you have to wait at least 2 years after the internship to apply for the examination in the Bahrain. And all CAM practitioners applying for the license must fulfill the following requirements in addition to the requirements mentioned earlier. So listen to this carefully. First one, obtain a scientific degree legally certified by the competent official authorities. Certificates and official document that indicate acquiring the practical training after graduation, stating the name and address of the organization where the training has been held according to the process of the authority. That means you must have an experience certificate from some clinic or hospitals after the internship. Valid first aid course, ACLS, Advanced Cardiac Life Support from a reputed hospitals. That's a course of 2 to 3 days duration. You can have to pay nearly 5,000 rupees, and that's available in reputed hospitals across the globe. And the certificate of medical fitness issued by the competent medical committee. And something about the examination. Examination in Bahrain. Exams are online and in your own country. Exams are online in your own country. All examination fees should be paid to the promotory company. The candidate may choose an examination center at his home country at a date and time convenient for him. In home country at a date and time convenient for him or her. Once the candidate passes the examination, the result should be submitted to the NHRA in order for the licensing process to be completed. If the candidate fails in the examination, he may request another eligibility code from NHRA. Then only write the examination for the second time. And the number of attempts. Applicants may attempt the license examination 4 consecutive times. 4 consecutive times, provided the attempts are done within a maximum of 3 years from the date of first attempt. An applicant who fails for 4 consecutive times is required to go through a period of training for 6 months and provide proof of completion of the required training. And after proof of the completion of training, the applicant may attempt the license examination twice again. So you will get initially 4 chances, then you have to undergo a training of 6 months, then again you will get 2 chances. So twice again, provided the attempts are within 2 years from the date of completion of the training period. Candidate who fail in the all examination attempts will not be licensed in the Kingdom of Bahrain. The pass mark will be 60 for all professionals. Whether you are an Ayurvedic practitioner, or homeopathy practitioner, or a Chinese practitioner, the pass mark will be 60 for all professionals. Any examination attempt without the approval of the NHRA will not be accepted. Now the annual license registration and the renewal fee. Registration fee is for the new license 50 Bahrain dinar, and for the renewal 40 Bahrain dinar per year. The websites you have to apply online through the official website www.nhra.bh. That is the official website. Then the Prometric website link for the examination www.prometric.com, and the data flow for submission of the documents corp.dataflowgroup.com. And you can contact officially the allied health coordinators at the email ID allied@nhra.bh. So all allied health professionals can contact and clear their doubts officially by sending a mail to allied@nhra.bh. And the official address, National Health Regulatory Authority, building number 2420, Al Seef District, PO Box 1164, Manama, the Kingdom of Bahrain. And their telephone number +97317113333, and the website nhra.bh. Now some homeopathy hospitals in Bahrain. First one, that is the KIMS, the reputed chain of hospitals across the globe. KIMS Bahrain Medical Center with the homeopathy wing, that is located at the Al Hassam Avenue, Manama, and the Kingdom of Bahrain. Their email ID, website, everything is given. If you would like to join with the KIMS, you can email them. And our famous Batras, that is also available in Bahrain. Batras in Bahrain, that is the KIMS Bahrain Medical Center, road number 3709, Al Hassam Avenue, Manama, Kingdom of Bahrain. And the paid MCQs. These websites may be useful for the preparation. prometricgulf.com, prometricmcq.com, mohtutor.com. These are some websites that may be useful in your preparation for the examination. So please visit our website homeobook.com, the largest portal on homeopathic education and research. We have more than 6,000 PowerPoint presentations on various subjects, more than 8,000 articles from the first BHMS to PhD in homeopathy, and this is the largest placement portal in homeopathy. You will get job from across the globe in homeobook.com for a homeopathy practitioner. And the competitive exam materials for preparing for the examinations like the MOH Bahrain, MOH UAE, PG, PSC and UPSC examinations, and the scope of homeopathy across the globe. If you would like to practice in Australia, in USA, or in Oman, or in United Arab Emirates, you will get the details in our website homeobook.com. Please subscribe to our channels for more videos, youtube.com/drmansoorali, and also subscribe to our Facebook page, Homeopathy Homeobook. That's the largest homeopathy Facebook page in India. So dear doctors, please keep in touch. My WhatsApp number is 9249337799, and the email ID similima@yahoo.com. Currently I am working as a professor in the Government Homeopathy Medical College, Calicut. So far we have discussed about the scope of homeopathy and other alternative systems of medicine in the Kingdom of Bahrain, the rules and regulations, the documents required, about the examination, about the placement. Thank you for watching this video. Keep in touch and take care.